Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the language of your iPad. So let's see how we can do it. So to start with, what you need to do is you need to just press on this settings icon here. So I'm going to just press on the settings icon, and once the settings window opens, you need to select this option which says general here. Okay, so just press on general option here, and once you select the general option, and when you scroll down here a little, you will be able to see this option which is for language and region. So just press on language and region option here, and you will be able to see your preferred language in your iPad. So here you can see right now my iPad's language is English, and if I want to change this language, I just need to press this option which says add language, and from here I can choose any language. So let me choose, let's say, this German language here. So I'm going to just press on German, and then I need to just select change to German, which is going to just change the language of my iPad to German language. Now let's say I want to set English as my preferred language. Once again, what I need to do is I need to just drag this English language at the top. So whatever language is at the top of this list, it will be your preferred language, and you will see what's your preferred language at this place, right? So here you need to press on this red option here. So I'm going to just press it, and it's going to set English as my preferred language. So now I can see English is my preferred language. I can verify it from here, and also I can verify it by just viewing that English is at the top of my preferred language list. So this is how you can change your language in your iPad. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.